Hello, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to make a really quick, simple, easy white chocolate orange mousse, which is delicious. It's so easy to do. I've got 200 grams of melted white chocolate that I've just let cool very slightly. Going to add in 300 mils of double cream. Give that a mix. Okay, then I'm going to add in the rind of an orange. Quarter teaspoon of orange extract. This is Valencian orange extract. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Mix this all together really well. Okay, and then I have these 4 bowls, got another 2 here, both side. And how am I going to add without spilling? Just going to go for it. I'm not going to do 4, I'm going to do 3 big ones. Okay, I'm going to go lick the spoon, obviously, and the bowl, and pop these in the fridge, and then I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day now. The mousse have all set. They look delicious. It was delicious when I was licking it out of the bowl yesterday. I'm going to try and do some dark chocolate curls. This is dark chocolate that's been in the fridge. Put it in when I put the mousse into that. And I think I should just be able to drag the knife. Yay. And there we have 3 delicious white chocolate orange mousse with dark chocolate curls on top. There you go. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you make it. Give me a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!